The Terry Lavender Federation Trail is named after Terry Lavender. So starting at Clare toward Vale, and then Mintare, Manura, Waterloo, Udunda, Truro, Kyneton, Eden Valley, Tunkillo, Monado Zoo, and then finish at Murray Bridge. Packed up, ready to go. The white cockatoo that's going to annoy the video. Out of the caravan gate. And we go this way. Should be on course. Alpacas, all different colours. Just found two horses in disguise. Must be Robin, and that is Batman. Or it could be that's Robin. Red. And that's Batman with their masks on. Right turn, Moss Smith Road. It's the right road. Lovely downhill then. Probably means there's an uphill to come. Good view of the valley. I'm going to call it Eden Valley. Wine region still, Barossa. Anyone want to buy it? Huge old tree there. Oh, we have. So very rocky on the far hill. So obviously the soil changes. Lots of them here. Like I said, with every down there's an uphill. Just finished that uphill. Just a view from the top. The hills in the background towards Murray Bridge or Manham, and Eden Valley ahead, Mount Pleasant. Slow down. A hill higher than here. We're so novel with our naming of our roads, aren't we? Don't see too many goats. So the views from the top of those damn hills. Oh, another hill out of Springton. It's already one in the town. 100 metres later, another one. Next stone wall. Kangaroo on the left. Oh. Road disappears. Or drive track. Whoa. Hold on! Some natural bushland, no? Natural planted. So that's a replanting. Eucalyptus trees. we are. Centre of Mount. Make a U-turn. Okay, that's fine. Left, right, off course. Bring in the Lovell's Bakery on the Torrens. There's camp for the night at Lavender Park at Mount Pleasant.